Lauren Glass joins us now via Skype on America's Forum. And Lauren, we appreciate your time and this whole notion of beds for kids. Tell us what you're trying to get done here.
Well, thank you, first of all, for having me. It's such an honor to be able to do this with you guys. But our notion, what we want to do is we want to make sure as many kids as humanly possible, have a bed to sleep in every night. It's a huge need, bigger than you could ever imagine, and we want to put an end to that.
Explain how big of a need that is, if you will.
Well, we are right now based in Tennessee, and we have given almost 500 beds just in our area of East Tennessee.
Wow.
Yeah. This year alone, we're going to be expanding to Alabama and Mississippi, but we get constant requests through our website of people from all over the United States applying for beds for their children. So just in our small area, we've given that many, and we know that the need is greater in the bigger areas.
Lauren, if you would, could you take us through the process of how you find out about this need and how you're financing part of this in Beds for Kids?
Yeah, we work really closely with the Department of Children's Services and school systems. So basically, we get referrals from caseworkers and teachers through our website, and we go from there. We'll do home inspections just to see the situation and make sure that the kids that are getting the beds are truly, in need. So that's how we get all of our candidates right now. How we fund it is we have several business sponsors that will, yearly sponsor so many beds, or monthly, or one-time donations. That's how we do all of our funding right now, through private donors. And we also just launched a give back brand called Throw. And basically what that is it's a line of pillows that you can purchase, and with a percentage of the proceeds going back to Beds for Kids.
So in other words, if I want to help Beds for Kids, I can go online and buy a pillow or certain pillows from Throw, and a portion of that money will go to the Beds for Kids program?
Yes, you can. You can go to our website, which is beds4kids.org, to just do a donation to Beds for Kids. Or you can also visit throwonline.com to purchase our pillows that will also go back to Beds for Kids. So just two different ways that you can do it.
Lauren, what inspired you to do this, and ultimately what's your goal? We're reading statistics right now from our producers that 2.5 million children are homeless in the United States alone. So it sounds like you have a big task in front of you.
And Lauren, about a minute to answer this, please, ma'am.
Okay. What inspired this was obviously the movie The Blind Side, like you read earlier. There was just a part in that movie that really hit me, and I knew that that's what I was supposed to do. But we just want to grow. We want to get as much exposure as we possibly can so that we can gain the funding to reach the whole United States. It's everywhere, and we want to be able to get there. We just need help financially, however we can get that, and through whatever connections we can make.
Well, Lauren Glass, it sounds to me like you have met a definite need. We appreciate the work of Beds for Kids. The website again, beds4kids.org, and also what you're up to with Throw. As you throw a good chunk of the proceeds into Beds for Kids, you can do well and do good at the same time. Lauren Glass, you have our thanks. Well, we take a look at the proverbial clock on the wall, and we see we need to make way for Ed Berliner and Midpoint. That begins at high noon Eastern. That'll be followed by the Steve Malzberg Show, and then the Daily Wrap. Programming ahead today on Newsmax TV. What's ahead, of course, what looms large? The weekend.
Happy
We're looking
Friday.
forward to it. Yeah, have a great Friday. We will see you back here Monday, 9 in the East, 6 a.m. in the West. Until then, stay brave, stay free, stay tuned.